Hi, below one of my video, I seen a comment. How do I get rid of the voice on my mobile Oculus app? And the problem is, I try to I tried to do that as well, and I couldn't. So I spoke with the support, and there is no option to delete your Oculus device from the app on your phone, which is a bit strange, but someone from customer support told me that there is no option at all. So basically I try to do it myself, like you can see on the video. I'm going to the settings now. I can choose the advanced settings, and there is no option at all. Just we can do a factory reset, which will delete all our data from the Oculus. So this what we can do. We can delete device data, what will remove all data on our Oculus. Basically something like factory reset. Yep. So we need to go on secure.oculus.com/my/devices, log in if you are not logged in, and click that link, delete device data, and follow the instruction. This what we can do. Yep. Thank you. Cheers.